Can you picture my prophecy? Stress in the city, the cops are stopping me. The projects full of bullets, the bodies is dropping. They ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in the abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal from the cap feeling. Without feeling, but will they last? So be blasted, hard-headed bastard. Maybe you'll listen in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm missing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business worried. The question is, will I live? No one in the world loves me. I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers, but what's in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger? Don't wanna make excuses, cause this is how it is. What's the use unless we shoot? No one notices the you. It's just me against the world, baby. It's me against the world. Against the world. I wonder is after death, after my last breath, when will I finally get to rest through this suppression? They punish the people that's asking questions and those that possess. Still from the ones without possession, the message I stress. To make it stop, study your lesson, don't settle for less. Even the genius asks questions, be grateful for blessings. Don't ever change, keep the essence, the power is in the people. In politics we address, always do your best. Don't let the pressure make